It has been a fun day kicking it with Max, which is my OpenClaw assistant. Every day is a new day, learning what he can do. I push the limits. My philosophy is push it till it breaks, see what it can do. Even if you have no idea if it's possible, try it. Try it. Ask him. Uh, it's mind blowing. We are at the cornerstone of a revolution of AI. It's exciting and scary at the same time. But what I'm going to do today is give you practical use cases for your OpenClaw. We can start implementing them today. I hope to inspire you with some new ideas, some new things to try. I like watching YouTube videos and like seeing what other people are doing, and I get new ideas. And I'm like, shit, let me see if my guy can do that. Let me talk to Max and see if he can do the same thing. So, what I'm going to do right now, I did a bunch of stuff today while I'm juggling all these other projects for other clients. So, I didn't have as much time as I wanted today to work with Max, but we got a lot done. So I'm going to ask him to tell us the stuff we got done today and list it all out, and we'll go from there. So, yo, Max, what's up? Can you list out all the things we accomplished today in a really simple way? I'm recording right now for YouTube, and I want them to see what we worked on. Now he's going to list some things out. Boom, boom, boom. Got a lot done. I'll go through the list with you guys here. All right. Actually, it was already working. I just that was a user error. So with the Telegram connection, we cleaned up my mission control. I'll show you guys that in a second. We gamified it. So we added like a boss battle system to it. We fixed the tab navigation where tabs weren't clickable. Got that working. So I'm kind of like vibe coding with Max right now. And yeah, it's kind of fun because he could, here's what I did. I got it so he can see the screen. I gave him access to at least see it. So like if something's wonky, he'll just go and fix it without me having to be like, dude, this looks weird. He can see it himself. You go, and then you can see him think it through like, oh yeah, it does look weird. And he just fixes it. So vibe coding is completely different. I'll probably make a video on vibe coding with your OpenClaw because it's elevated. I also told him, I'm like, dude, I want to be the best senior engineer, programmer, UI, UX, designer, vibe coder, creator, I told him that. And I was like, give me a list of things you need in order to make that happen. And he gave me a list. I'm like, let's do them all. So we got like Claude Code. We got the strongest models. We got all these skills. We just leveled up in 10 different ways to make him really good at vibe coding and creating software. Where we got Xcode downloaded. We have all the things needed so he can build apps for iPhone. I can test them immediately on my phone. He just gives me a QR code. I scan it. Now I have the app on my phone. I can try it out. Whatever we build, it's crazy. He can post right to Vercel. I could be on Telegram driving my car. I was with my brother the other day driving the car, trying to show him how powerful this was. He had an app idea for trading and crypto and stuff. I'm like, dude, let's build it right now. I told Max. He built it. He hosted it on GitHub, pushed it to Vercel, sent me the link. I was like, boom, your app's done, or at least, mostly done. And he was pretty mind blown. What else did we do? Yeah, so this is all for the mission control he's focused on. What else we did earlier is, so I saw like a couple people trading with Max. There was like Kalashi, like you can make bets on like political stuff or on different companies and what you bet they're going to go up or down, right? Do you think Elon Musk is going to surpass Anthropic with X, with his platform or whatever, right? You bet yes or no. And basically you can make money. You can actually get an API key from Kalashi, give it to us. So I went and made the account. I made it myself, but I gave him the API key and he can research like a motherfucker, right? He can get a lot of context and a lot of knowledge and a lot of information to make smart trading decisions. We'll find out. I don't know. I gave him $100. I said, dude, if I lose it, whatever, but do your best. Prove to me that you know what you're doing, and go make some bets. So he came to me with some bets, and I approved him first, and then he went off and he made some bets. So we'll see. We'll see if he can make me some money. I have to wait like 4 days because he did 3 different bets. One's going to take 4 days to find out if he won. One's going to take 2 weeks. One's going to take a month. And we'll find out if he can actually make me some money on Kalashi. So that'll be fun. We did that earlier. I also made an executive team. So I was like, hey, for my new company, AI TwinBrain, I need a CTO, a CFO, a COO, all that, CMO, and I need them all talking to each other. So every time I ask a question, I say, bring in the executive team. It already knows to bring in the team. And I'll show you what they look like. I'll give you a visual here. If I go to my command center right here, my executive team, he's going to bring them all in, and then the board's going to make a decision, right? And I can look at past decisions. But every time I say bring in the executive team, they're going to go to work, then they're going to come together and talk, and then they're going to give me a decision based on my question and what I asked them about. And I could be like, here's a new question. I could do that here, or I could just talk to them and pose a question. And that's pretty damn powerful. We'll figure out how valuable that is as time goes on. He gamified everything. So let me refresh here. There it is. So he made it boss battle. So I'm almost to level 2. So I got a new client yesterday. I'm trying to hit 10 clients with my AI TwinBrain. And then once I get there, then I guess I'll get a cool animation or something, right? And level up. So that's fun. Here's all my agents. If you haven't seen my last video, I already went over all this. Here's my agents all working together to do different things. Some create content, creative directors. Some are coders, some make images, that kind of thing. Projects, AI TwinBrain, as I'm launching this new company. And yeah, this is just going to give me a visual of my goals, that kind of thing. Cool timeline, and then Intel, that kind of thing. And then this is actually going to be pulling in all of my Zoom calls from Fireflies. So, yep, kind of wild, kind of crazy, kind of fun. But it's nice to have a mission control. I'm going to keep adding to this, tweaking it, adding things, deleting things, refining it. Eventually, I'll have it to where I can just give it to you guys if you want it. But you could probably just make your own. Just tell Mr. Claw to make your own and make it custom to you. But I'll keep giving you guys ideas of what would make this really, really good, right? Trying to think of anything else I did. That's mostly what I got done just today. I love that he gives me Intel reports every day, all the top AI news. There was a thing that, he also opened Secure Claw came out, I think yesterday, the 16th. And I'm like, hey, dude, go look into Secure Claw. He's like, oh, yeah, it's a great thing. It'll help make everything more secure with your OpenClaw. I'm like, sick, install it. And then run an audit and tell me how secure things are. So he ran an audit, and then he's like, oh, this is pretty secure, but we can do a couple more things to lock it down. I'm like, sick, do it. It's just talking to him. I don't have to be staring at a screen clicking around all day if I don't want to. I can just talk to Max, my OpenClaw, and he'll get shit done. So my goal is to make him an ultimate employee for my new company, just kick ass and all the way around with all these agents he's managing. Make this really fun and gamified for me so I can come here and have a dashboard of like, cool, am I leveling up in life or not? Right? Am I leveling up in my business or am I moving behind? Right? And then he even tells me, he's like, okay, your goal is 30K by July 7th. So you have 140 days to do this, that, and the other. Here's what we need to do to hit that goal. So it's just extremely helpful, extremely powerful, really fun to mess with. Like I said, I'm juggling other client projects and I'm doing consulting. I'm doing all this stuff. So I have to squeeze in some time to work with Max after when I can. But in like 20 minutes, I got to jump on a real estate investor AI group call because I'm an AI coach for this big real estate investment group. So I'm going to keep adding to him, keep training him, keep just doing cool shit, seeing what he can do. He's trading for me now. I got an executive board today. I have a gamified dashboard. He's just giving me Intel reports. I connected him up to 11 Labs, so he sends me messages on Telegram. I can talk to him. I'm going to give him a phone number with Twilio and see if he can call me. I'll probably do that here soon. I just got to set up my Twilio for that. But other than that, man, yeah, let me know your thoughts. If you got some inspiration, got some ideas, if you tried some of this stuff yourself, if you haven't, let me know. Comments below. I'm just trying to grow my channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000 by the end of the week. That's my goal. I wrote it down. I'm close, so I'm like 7 subscribers away. It'd be fun to hit. But like, comment, subscribe if you got value. If I should be making more, follow me on my journey with me and Max. We're going to keep tearing it up. So see you guys in the next one.